So today I'm going to do a Jamberry unboxing for you guys. I ordered from a party as a fundraiser for a friend of mine. Her name is Kristen. She's battling 2 types of leukemia, and this is what I ordered through that party, through that fundraiser. So let's see, what all did we get? Let's see, I got some patriotic themed nail wraps. It's got 3 different designs in there. Very excited for those. I got Iron Man. This is for my oldest. Iron Man themed. Got some floral. Yeah. This is By Any Other Name. And then I got Tranquil Blue. It's like this mint color with a little bit of gold in there. I don't know if you can see the gold or not. And then I got some called Risky Business. It's a black background with a silver kind of embellishment on it. With a lace pattern. And then the last one that I got is Fine China. A white background with a blue floral pattern on it. That is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a great day.